Some of these might sound a little weird, but they help me a lot to focus more and scroll less. You don't have to permanently do these things, but definitely just try them out and see how it goes for you. I highly recommend it. It saved me, honestly, thousands of hours. The first thing, which helped me a lot, turn on red light at night. So this helps you get ready for sleep and it doesn't stimulate your brain. Two, lower the brightness on your phone. So your phone isn't as bright. Three, grayscale your phone. Make everything black and white so it feels more boring to use and you only use your phone for the purpose that you want to be on your phone. Four, make your home and lock screen nothing. I have my phone right now just completely black and I've had it like that for almost a year or two now. All these things just give you more of a reason to not use your phone when you don't need to use your phone. Five, hide apps from the home screen and uninstall the apps that you don't need or you spend too much time on. Six, turn your sound off. I'm on mute 24/7. If someone wants to get to me, they will get to me. Seven, turn off notifications. I do this for all apps except messages and calls. So I can still see on my screen if someone called me or texted me. Eight, remove the time off the lock screen. This one might sound a little crazy, but it just gives me another reason to not just randomly whip out my phone and check the time when I already did it 7 times. I know what the time is. I'm just opening my phone for no reason to try to distract myself, give me something to look at, and avoid some uncomfortable situation. Nine, power off your phone all the way, shut it down when you don't need to use it. 10, next time you go on your phone, just ask yourself why you're actually going on your phone. What is it that you need to do or want to do? And 11, make this the last video you watch. I'm sure you can think of something else to do if you genuinely spend however long this video is and you spend that time thinking about something else to do. You can do something. So do that right now. And if you do these things, your screen time will reduce a lot. All of a sudden, you'll have time to do other things. So hope this can help. See you later. Peace.